So no real intro today, getting straight into it. We finally got it back. The Supra's back, boys. It's a little dirty right now, just I guess from being under this tree. We're outside my tuner's crib, picking the car up. It's finally got a bunch of work done to it, including sensors, which I will show later. Under the hood, we got flex fuel, oil pressure, IAT, and what's the other one? Fuel pressure. We got all those sensors. We got a little fun button, as you see. This is really gonna help spool that turbo up soon. I'm sure you guys already know what that's about. Got our cans of E85 ready to go. And then on this side, we fabbed up nice little bracket to hold our Haltech Elite 2500 in place. Much safer than the way my AEMV one was, just flopping around in the glove box. So yeah guys, we're all ready to go, set up to tune. The car is on a stock engine, completely stock, unopened, stock cam, stock head, E85, Audi R8 ignition coils. I'm not exactly sure what it's going to make, but we are aiming for somewhere above the 6s, that's for sure. Some people have been saying it can shoot for like 700 plus, but I don't know if I feel okay with doing that on a stock engine. I still haven't even upgraded head studs. I really should do that soon. But yeah, somewhere above 6s is where we're aiming. Hopefully we get there. Hopefully everything goes fine on the dyno. Couple nice smooth passes and then we're out. All right, so this is the first startup after a really long time. Honestly, it feels a little weird even to be doing this now. Oh my god, but so good. Let's hear it. Oh, fuck. Sounding real healthy now. Real healthy. And now I can show you guys under the hood. I ordered a bracket for these just to cover up the middle, make it a little prettier, and wrap around the rubber part, make them a little more secure. But these are the Audi R8 coils we're running. Turbos still the same, board 1 and 366. A lot of the work was mainly in the fuel system, of course, to get flex fuel done. As you can see in here, we got oil pressure sensor in here. We got a fuel pressure sensor here. The oil line running around the clock. Back. We got a wideband controller that we threw in for our Haltech, and an IAT sensor as well in the car. So yeah, that's pretty much the general premise of everything that was done to the car. Nothing major in the motor or as far as our turbo system. It's about the same, but the brains of this car have been upgraded by an extremely high level compared to where it was before. That's the sickest shit I've ever seen, bro. Oh my god.